everyone, and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through the January 2026 release from Pretty Pink Posh. This has products for both Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you a bunch of inspiration. Some of those cards are going to be videos both on my channel and over on the Pretty Pink Posh YouTube channel, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. Now, again, this is just a quick walkthrough of the release. There are some more detailed videos over on the Pretty Pink Posh YouTube channel if you're interested. Let's first take a look at the standalone dies being released this month. So, first off, we have a simple Love You shadow die. You have both the Love You script and then also the shadow to go with it. We have lucky holder editions. This is great for any of the critters or to use on their own. XOXO word shaker. That is going to be in an upcoming video. Pinking rectangles with a really fun design around the edge. We have banner greetings too. The wavy banners are going to go great with a stamp set coming up. Ladybug shaker, super cute. I love how there are some heart dies on there for the spots. And then we have heart card base. I'll show you that one as well in the example. Bear holder, so another critter holder edition. We have the decorative Shamrock getting ready for St. Patrick's Day, Horseshoe shaker, which I had a ton of fun with. Then we have the Shamrock border and also our box of chocolates, which is also so super cute. Now let's take a look at the stamp sets and their coordinating dies. First is the Valentine banner greetings. Lots of really fun wavy sentiments. Now, I showed you earlier the banner greetings 2 that is newly released, but don't forget about banner greetings 1, which is a previous release. We have the lucky animals, really cute. And here are those animals all colored up. We have that cat in the pot of gold, a fun puppy, a cat in a hat, and a dog in a hat. We also have Valentine tags. These are really great to turn into tags with the die that's provided or just use as a focal point on your project. Now, some of my favorites lately has been the word scenes. This is a Valentine word scenes. I love just the small, cute little images that are provided, and they're so super quick and easy to color up. We also have Lucky to Know You stamp set. It does also have a coordinating die to it. I really like these, not just because of St. Patrick's Day, because I think they're great for other occasions, like maybe just to wish somebody good luck on a new job or going to school, something like that. And then we have this adorable set. It's small, but it's adorable. And it is the lovely Ladybugs, which I will also be using in a future project here very soon. And that cute little sentiment of bugs and kisses. Now we're going to take a look at some brand new stencils that are being released. Some are Valentine, some are St. Patrick's. I'm going to provide the name of the stencil up on the top of the screen for you. This first one is a layering stencil. It creates the bows, the little I'm calling it a padlock, but I think there's a different name for it. Also, the has XOs, and some hearts. Then we have the layered ladybug. Again, it is a layering stencil, so you could use something like black glitter paste. Then we have the words. I'm not 100% sure right now what that is called, but again, I will have it listed at the top of the screen. We also have a St. Patrick's Day one that is layered up for hats and shamrocks and pot of gold in a rainbow. We also have a word stencil for that with lucky charm, good luck, and St. Patrick's Day. And then finally, we have some really fun embellishments to coordinate with these. So these ones I do use in my project. I am just about out of them. Now, again, I will have these listed at the top of the screen. And also, I will have everything linked down below in the video description and also a link to just the Pretty Pink Posh website to take a look at the entire release. Now let's take a look at some inspiration that I created. So I created something with almost every single set because I do the introduction videos or the sneak peek videos over on the Pretty Pink Posh YouTube channel. So be sure to check that out and give them some love. And if I'm being honest, I think Valentine's and St. Patrick's are some of my favorite holidays to create for because with Valentine's, it doesn't have to be Valentine's. They can be used for just wishing someone love or good luck or just saying hello, but it's I love the hearts, I love the pinks. Now, yes, I do kind of get a little bored with those color schemes after a while, but I think they are so versatile, especially the "you're in luck" or "wishing you luck" type of things, because those can be great for graduation too, or if somebody's starting a new job or getting a new house, things like that. So I think because of the versatility of it is why I love these types of releases so much. Now, here is that heart card base. It is super cute that you can tie it in the front and then open it up to see the inside with whatever sentiment you decide to put in there. So that was just a really quick walkthrough of the release. I am going to have some future videos sharing how those cards were put together on my YouTube channel and also on the Pretty Pink Posh YouTube channel. If there is one in particular you would like to see, drop a comment and let me know which one you'd like seen in a video. I am going to have a video coming up a little bit later today that's going to be 2 cards that I'm creating in there. So I hope you'll come back and join me for that. Otherwise, I'm excited to see your comments on which card you'd love to see in a video. Thanks for spending time with me today. I'll see you again real soon.